Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Porsche Cayenne, first generation guys, years 2002 to 2010. If you're guys trying to find, okay, you have problems with your brake light switch, let's say your brake lights do not work or your cruise control doesn't work, it could be because of a brake light switch. Now, we'll show you guys where it's located, how to get to it and how to replace it. In the meantime guys, we have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys subscribe to the channel. Our goal is to save you as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. So, let's start on it. If you guys want to find more mechanical videos, taking engines apart on that car, fixing mechanical components, find them on our two channels, World Mechanics and How to Repair guys. Please guys, give a subscribe. Now, right here guys, when you open your door, okay, you have, okay, that's your brake pedal right there. That's cover right here will need to be removed with a plastic panel removal tool. Just pull it out this way. It has 5 clips. Okay, let me show you where the clips are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need to find guys fuse number now 38. Okay, we have 2 fuses, 38, and stay with us, we'll show you which one. Now, if you come, look at the box this way, it will be that third row, the first fuse, 5M fuse. So we'll go ahead, pull it out and replace it with another one. Now, also guys, you have one more fuse for that. Okay, let us explain it now. It's fuse now guys, number 20, okay, fuse number 26. Okay, looking at the thing, it will be this fuse here. Okay, the first one, this way, will be the first one on the very left side, that 10M fuse. Ours is good, we can see it. So, hopefully guys, okay, that can save you quite a bit of money guys. Fix your problem. Thank you for watching, please subscribe and see you guys next time.